Hello guys, so today we are going to be trading volatility 75 1x. Alright, for those of you that is actually a beginner in forex trading and you want to learn more about forex trading, well, this video is for you. So watch till the end and see how profitable you become. Now we are trading with a little account which is $400 and replace with a little, should I say a little loss size. Now let's go. Let's place another loss. Let's make it 20. Right. So this is how you flip accounts with a little loss size, and you grow your account with a little loss size as a beginner. Right. So I want to be telling you guys a little big secret about forex trading that a lot of professional forex traders don't tell you guys. But before I do, like, comment, share this video to as many as you can, so that you'll not be the only one to get the good news that I'm going to share with you now. As you can see, market is actually going as good as we planned. Now, I'll be showing you guys this particular move. You should use it for all your trade and make massive profit. And for those of you guys that are looking for a way to actually participate but can't really get enough or can't really uh make it in forex trading, because anytime you trade with your capital you blow it off, your salary you fund it, then you still blow it off the market. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick move on how to become a successful trader with no worries and with no stress. Alright, just join me in our free Telegram channel where we share signals and we'll show you guys a little bit on how to become a successful trader and make massive profit together. Alright. So you'll find my Telegram link on my description or on my comment section. But if you don't find it on the comment section, go on my description. You'll surely see it there. Right. So make sure you are actually following me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can be able to be getting notification anytime I post massive or videos or teachings videos like this. Alright. So I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make massive profit in the market using this strategy that I've actually learned newly for you guys, for beginners. Sorry. So let me go. So let's switch over to the chart market. As you can see, let's go over to look at how we found out that this market is actually going to sell massively. As you can see, this is actually a reversal. All right, this is actually a reversal. We'll call these candlesticks, this particular candlesticks, this one, this particular candlestick, we'll call it hammer candlesticks. All right, hammer candlesticks is a candlestick that indicates when the market is actually reversing. Right, if the market is actually reversing, you see something like this, or you see a candlestick that called dragonfly candlesticks. All right, still see a candlestick that called dragonfly candlesticks, and so many candlesticks that you need to know. But first of all, let's go with this hammer candlestick. They call it hammer candlesticks, and is actually indicate that the market is actually going to reverse. Right, the market is actually reversing over here. So as soon as we get this notification, we get this candlesticks notification, we decided to go in. We decided to go in trade. We decided to make the next move. All right. So we are making profit. I guess we are making massive profit already, and we are actually making it good. Let's go over to 1 hour time frame. Let's see how the 1 hour time frame will plan for us. Okay, as you can see, the 1 hour time frame had no plan on going down, but it had a little plan on going down because these candlesticks indicate that the market is will actually go down because of this particular uh candlesticks indicator. All right, so we are looking forward for the market to actually go a little bit down before coming up as planned. But let's see what the market indicates. Let's see how the market goes in the next 1 minute. I'm going to be closing the trade, or rather I'm going to be ending the video so that it will not be that long, all right, for you guys to watch. So join us on our Telegram channel so that you can be able to be following us uh openly in all our trade, all right. So join us now. Click the link on my comment section or on my description to join our Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, where we share free signals and other things you need to see about forex trading. All right, because I'm going to be teaching you everything I know about forex trading in that particular Telegram channel. I'm going to be teaching you everything I know with my 7 years experience of trading. I'm going to be teaching you everything I experienced. I am going to be learning a good one. All right. For those of you guys that is actually interested in account management, come to my DM, or if you join my Telegram channel, you see my admin. Come to my DM and actually participate. Tell me how much account equity you're actually holding, and I will tell you how massive profit we are going to be in the next 1 hour. All right, so have a nice day. See you in my Telegram channel, and also see you in my next upper video. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell button, and share this video to as many as you can, because we are not actually going to wait here for the market to actually go down. So we are going to end it here. I'm going to show you guys in my Telegram channel how massive this money, this market goes, how profitable the market rose. All right, have a nice day. See you guys in the next upper video. Thank you.